how to join a Roblox group. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Roblox group in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to roblox.com once you are on the website and then log into your account. On the left-hand side menu, click on the option called Groups or Communities. So after clicking, this will take you to the Roblox Groups Communities section. You can browse the featured groups shown on the page, or if you have a specific group in mind, use the search bar at the top to find it. If you have a direct link to the group, you can paste it into your browser's address bar as well. Once you find that you want to join, click on it. Then, simply click the Join button on the group's page. You'll get a confirmation message at the top saying you've successfully joined the group. And that's it. You're now a member of the Roblox group. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.